This video speaks to a maintenance carpenter, the type of jobs, description, and qualifications. The carpenter is required to perform carpentry work while maintaining and repairing buildings and facilities. This information is provided as a source of general interest for all interested parties. It may be used by human resource personnel as a base to develop job requirements for positions required to be filled within your company. It may also be used by job seekers to provide an understanding of advertised job positions and allow them to write their resume in a manner that suits the advertised or non-advertised permission. This information was gathered and collected from many job posted sources: newspaper job section, business magazines, company websites, and the internet in general. It presents a cross-section of the needs and requirements of many diverse industries, especially the building facility management, operations, and maintenance requirements. Carpenter is a skilled craftsperson who works with lumber to construct, install, and maintain buildings, furniture, and other objects. The work known as carpentry involves manual labor and work outdoors. Carpentry skill is gained through experience and study. In some countries, such as the United States, there are no formal training requirements other than in trade unions, and the trade can be easy to enter. In other countries such as Germany, Japan, and Canada, there are strict standards. The word carpenter is the English rendering of the Old French word carpentier, becoming a carpenter, which is derived from the Latin carpentrius, maker of a carriage. The Middle English and Scots word, in the sense of builder, was taken from the Old English rata, which could be used in compound forms such as wheelwright or boatwright. In British slang, carpenter is sometimes referred to as a chippy. The scope of work that a carpenter must do: remodel and repair cabinets, counters, shelves, tables, and furniture as required. Replace and repair door closures and locks. Build and repair walls, partitions, doorways, window frames, stairs, and roofs. Install window glass and screens. Apply wall and floor covering materials. Install and repair ceramic and other tiles. Refinish furniture and paints and stains building interiors and exteriors. Provide supervision to less skilled carpenters. The qualifications. You have to complete a trade qualification program and have the required local license. 2 years minimum of carpentry experience in facilities maintenance. Possession of a valid driver's license is also an asset. Knowledge of tools and methods of the trade and applicable building codes. You must have the ability to read and interpret work from blueprints and be able to prepare rough sketches of work to be done. You must have the ability to prepare estimates for labor and material for jobs. Extra assets are to have basic computer skills and also to have good people skills. That is all for this subject. Thank you very much.